In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images in Wix Editor. If you are working inside your Wix Editor, resizing images is something you will probably do often, whether you are trying to improve the layout of a page, make your design look more balanced, or keep image sizes consistent across your site. In this tutorial, I will walk you through two simple ways to resize an image in Wix: a quick visual drag and drop method, and a more precise method using exact pixel dimensions. Let's start with the visual drag and drop method. This is the fastest option when you just want to make a quick adjustment directly on the canvas. First, click on the image you want to resize. As soon as you select it, you will see a bounding box appear around the image, along with resize handles. To resize the image proportionally, click and drag one of the corner handles. If you drag inward, the image will shrink. If you drag outward, the image will become larger. Using the corner handles is usually the best option, especially for photographs because it keeps the image in proportion. That means the width and height scale together, which helps prevent the image from looking distorted, stretched, or compressed. You can also resize the image non-proportionally by dragging the side handles, the top handle or the bottom handle. This changes either the width or the height independently. While that can be useful in certain design situations, it's generally not recommended for photos, since it can make people, objects, or backgrounds look unnatural. If you do use this option, just take a moment to check that the image still looks right on the page. Now let's look at the exact pixel dimensions method. This is a better choice when you want consistent sizing across multiple pages or if you need more control over the final dimensions. Start by clicking on your image in the editor. Then from the floating menu, click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. After that, click Adjust and then select Crop and Extend. Here, you'll be able to enter the exact width and height values in pixels. This gives you pixel-perfect accuracy, which is especially helpful if you are trying to match image sizes throughout your website for a cleaner, more professional look. Once you've entered the dimensions you want, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Thanks for watching.